Folks, the sky is about to open up. Look at this. Look at these clouds, rain clouds. Folks, I am driving in my first rain since I've been in Liberia. This thing came down so fast. I have a clip of the sky just before the rain. I will be showing you that. Alright. This thing changed to the photo mode. I don't know when it did. When I touched that piece to change it. Wow. There's a little bit of water on the road. Driving through, just stay with me. We'll be back on the main road pretty soon. Hang a left right here. I think I should have gone right. I think I should have turned right, but this should still take me back to where I'm going, because this is where they have that church. People are gearing up for it, and once that starts the service, this whole street is blocked. Can't get through. Because the church extends into the street. Come on now. Hey. Stop here to let somebody out. Thank you. I want to think these guys are exercising, but I don't think so. They're running from the rain. I can come this way in a little while. This is where I hang a right. Wow, I'm so glad I'm not going out of town or in that direction. But check out the traffic. People trying to get home from work. I believe this is Putnam Boulevard. Should take you out to Robertsfield Highway. Hope I got it correct. I'm learning my way around. To my right, almost like a river. This is where the new road construction is. All that new soil that was put down and compacted. It's flowing like a river right now. That's why they have to try and build these things in the dry season. Here comes a keke, all in the opposite direction. Anything goes. When you're driving here, make sure you check your mirror and you blow your horn. If you want to just move a little bit to the right or left, make sure you check your mirror, because these motorcyclists and the keke drivers, they can come on any side. Not only any side, I guess any side, because You can sit front side, back side. Yes, they can cut right in front of you at a drop of a dime, or cut right behind you without even looking, it appears. The other day I almost hit one because there was a space like maybe about 2 foot between me and the car that was in front of me. As I took my foot off the pedal, because when you're inching, if you don't inch forward, when traffic is moving slowly, if you don't inch forward, they will cut in front of you and take up that space. And once one of them get in, the rest of them will follow. That's the way to drive. So as I was about to inch forward, as soon as I lifted my foot off the brake, this guy cut in front of me and claimed I was trying to crush him. It's never their fault. Never ever their fault. They drive like they own the road. Over to my right, that petrol gas station is where I usually get my gas. If I hadn't moved to my new location, I would have made a left at that point. And I wish I was still there, because then I don't have this extra driving to do. But the traffic is flowing. Along here, I guess it's called eminent domain. Some of these houses was chopped up. Front part was taken away in name of this highway. This happens all over the world. Guess I'm taking you along the way that I intended. The traffic is flowing, so I will keep this going until I get tired for the minute. I'm leaning forward, because I am leaning forward with this phone resting on the dashboard. See a KK in front of me, no license plate. I would say there's at least 10% of the cars on the road don't have license plates on them. It's got to be 50 to 60% of motorcycles and KKs with no license plate. So there's 4 right in front of me. One I'm passing right now, no license plate. Yes, 3 more. 4 more with no license plate. So I think my percentage is pretty good. If not, I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt. There comes one trying to squeeze his way through. Look at that. See what I mean? See what I mean? Look at that. He came within 1/6 inch of dropping off the edge of that. Within 1/6 inch of it. And you got a passenger who have injured somebody right there. And all of this could be in revenue for the government. Even if the license plate is $5 revenue. hope I'm able to complete this video because my phone is full. I don't know why the phone company, the major phone companies got away from using memory cards in the phone, SD card. This phone here has 128 gigs of memory. That tells you I do a whole lot of video. I do some photos, but most things are videos, and I use the highest quality possible. That's why my memory is all eaten up. My storage area. People say gas prices going up, but I don't see it. I still pay the same for gas as I've been paying. Look at this. Look at the motorcycles. Look at that. Got somebody's child on the back, but she's stupid enough to be on that, I would say, or desperate. It's not only stupidity, people are desperate for transportation. And that one came within inches of me. About 2 to 3 weeks ago, I saw where motorcyclists and this passenger got sandwiched between two cars going in the same direction. He tried to pass in between them, and the pickup truck did not know he was there. And he's coming closer and closer to the car he was passing. He just sandwiched them, rubbed against them. You should have seen the passenger's face. That poor man was petrified. But it didn't look like anybody got injured. This is rain, man. This is rain. And this is not the worst. I have seen it where you had to drive, at about 2 miles an hour. Not on this trip, but maybe about 20, 25 years ago when I was here. Couldn't see in front of me. This dirt, soil, earth, you see to the right in piles, this must be the best soil for compacting when you're building a road, because that thing, once they compact it, it feels like your own concrete. And roads that are built with this up in the interior that haven't been paved, they seem to last a little longer. Liberia is full of a lot of sandy soil, but I'm beginning to notice that they have a lot of this soil also. It's almost like a form, like pebbles or whatever, like rocks in the soil. I got to stop one day and pick up a piece and try and break it down and see how it's composed. If you look at it as you drive by, it looks like brown crushed rock. Speed bump. Okay, I'm gonna make a left up here, and I'm gonna take a break for a minute and come back on once I get on the section of Tubman Boulevard, come out around the ministerial complex. Here comes one. Okay, he's not trying to pass me. you crossing the street, buddy? Alright folks, I'm gonna pause for here for now. Alright folks, this road I just turned down is I'm not sure what it's called, but it's the road just before SD Cooper Road. Yes, somebody decided he's not going to be patient and drive fast through deep water. It's one of the worst things you can do because that water splashes up into your engine. People don't know that water might go as high, right up into your grill. Sometimes it go above your hood if you drive too fast. Anyway, can't tell folks anything. To my left is the ocean. I wish I could film it. And it's churning up, boy. Those waves are high. I can see them rolling in from way out. Drainage. You would think that when a river or ocean is nearby and is below, way below ground level, this water will be diverted to the river or ocean. Even in the U.S., in Philadelphia, where the Highway 95 elevated over part of the city, and the river is just down below, the highways still get flooded. I don't get it. On this road, we'll go past the Calabash somewhere down the way. I'll point that to you. There's several important well-known places along this roadway. I have to make a left up here to get to that, I think, if I haven't passed that already. Okay, no, I haven't passed it. This is where I'm gonna hang a left. Lightning up ahead. Stars are lightening up a little bit, so I don't think this will last too much longer. At least not at that intensity. Since I'm not that familiar with this city, I can't give you the name of these streets because there are no street signs in most of the areas. Calabash right ahead on the left with the red roof. And this other place next to it, I can't remember his name, but it's well known to him. You would think people would have that business name where it's easily noticeable as they drive by. But anyway, you see, ooh, the lagoon is full. Can't show you that because I'm driving. Everything you said, people say, well, this is Liberia. Once in a while, this is Africa. What's going on? Moving again. It's another lagoon to my left. I don't know if it's part of the same one. I have to get out one day and walk that area. Of course, bring somebody with me who know the place. Okay, I'm gonna take a break again. Okay, we're coming on to TV at Tubman Boulevard. There's the ministerial complex ahead of us. Motorcycles coming just past me in the opposite direction with no lights. These conditions. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I'm gonna cut this off now that all the drama is ending. I'm on a better roadway right now. The rain is dying down. So, like what you see, folks, all you gotta do is just subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, give me a like so YouTube will share the video with others. And you can share it yourself. Okay? Peace and love. People, everybody is rushing because this is about to come down. Check out these clouds.